RDBMS, right? So we will pick and choose the Microsoft SQL Server database management system. Right, we will install the SQL Server and then the SSMS on top of it, and then try to create the databases within it. Okay. So this is going to be the episode 2 of this playlist, right? So I have created one more video earlier, uh, right? Maybe maybe a year back or more than that, right? So that is with respect to the SQL Server installation and SSMS on top of that, and then how to connect. Then 4 ways to log into local SQL Server using SSMS. How to connect to SQL servers using SSMS. So I will give this link into the description section. Okay, and I just click on it and then I opened it. So this how it describes actually. So if I enlarge it, so it explains everything over here, right? Okay, so you can go and see this video basically, and then there is an where to install SQL Server DB. If you want to go to this link actually, so you will find it. So you can download this, developer edition. Okay, or if you want to do the express edition, so I have did this download developer edition actually. This is the free specialized edition actually, so you can install and practice on top of it. There are for Windows, Linux, and there are other variants available actually. So this is the link actually, so you can do. Then there is an SSMS. So this is how you can connect to the database management system, right? And then you try to download SSMS. So this is 19.2 version is the current version. I think I have installed it. Let me check what is the. This is 15.1 actually. No, sorry, version 18.12. Okay. So you can download and install this 19.1 version. Okay. And then we have the sample DB also comes into the in the Microsoft website actually. So if Adventure Works, they name it as Adventure Works. I renamed it is DataPundit underscore OLAP and OLTP. So they have both the versions actually, OLAP and OLTP. So there will be a OLTP and there will be OLAP as well. Data warehouse, right? This is the backup of data warehouse, and this is OLTP version of it actually. So okay, so you can install, you can download this backup, and what you can do is you can copy this backup over here. So if you go to this path, right? So if in my case, if I go to my command prompt and then cd, uh, so you would be doing like in backup cd, go to the backup. I have, there is a backup installed, right? File, this one sample.back, sample database. And then what you can do is you can try to import it. So how you will do it? You can do it like from the databases. What you can do, you restore the database and then you try to click on device and then uh, you browse it and then you add it. You can browse it from here. This is your directory, right? C. So in backup program files, what was the location? Program files, Microsoft SQL Server. Yeah. Then there is an MSSQL 15, right? Then there is a backup. If you click on here and if you copied the backup file, then this will be available and you can click on it and you can do the OK, and then and then you try to OK here, and then it will come here, and then you try to OK. So it will taken automatically. Okay, so you store the backup here actually. So all the instructions are there in the this website actually. If you go to restoring to the SQL server. So this is how we can install and try to. So once you do that, you will see that this is going to be your just I have shown the example, but if you want to go through it, so this is the my previous video. So I'll give the link in this video's description, and then you can go through it. So once you do it, and you will be seeing that you will have you know uh, you will have two databases, OLTP database and OLAP database, right? OLAP is a data warehousing database. There will be a lot of tables within that. This is a star schema database actually. And then there will be OLAP, OLTP database. This is a transactional database, right? So that you will see. We are going to understand the difference between OLAP and OLTP in next video session, okay? And then we will try to build upon the other databases within this database, different small databases, depending upon the context and depending upon the requirement when we try to learn the SQL operations, right? Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.